Open the cover. This is the back of the memory card. This is the front of the memory card. Insert the front of the memory card into the card slot. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. After receiving the recorder, connect the cameras, GPS, wire controller and USB test cable to the corresponding connection ports of the main unit. Tighten the interface. Then use the USB test cable to check if the recorder's function is normal. Use a charger or power bank applicable voltage to for power supply during testing. After the recorder is powered on, if it works properly, it can be installed on the motorcycle. Loosen the bracket with the wrench. Put the gasket onto the motorcycle handlebar. Then put on the bracket, insert the screws, put on the nuts, and tighten them with a wrench. The bracket can adjust the angle freely. After adjusting the angle, tighten the bracket with a wrench. Insert the piece into the screw. Align the bracket with the bracket hole on the hose. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. Place the Z-shaped bracket on the position of the rearview mirror. Install the rearview mirror back in its original way. The following steps are the same as the previous installation method, but the difference is that this time the display screen is installed on a V-shaped bracket. Install the bracket onto the camera. Insert the base into the circular bracket. Insert the piece into the screw. Insert the screw. Use the wrench to tighten it. The bracket can adjust the angle. After adjusting the angle, use a wrench to tighten the bracket screws. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with adhesive tape. Fasten the Velcro to the upper and lower sides with screws. Choose the appropriate gasket according to the size of the handlebar. After selection, fix it with screws. The installation scenario of this device is on a motorcycle. For reference only, please route and install tire pressure sensors according to the actual situation of the vehicle during installation.